Hi, this is Abhinav Panjwani. Presently, I am a campus ambassador for International Model United Nations, and I am glad to inform you about the Immune Conference 40.0, which is going to be held on 16th and 17th of January 2021. So, what are this immune conferences about? So, this online conferences are designed to give youth participants a real immune experience, a model United Nations experience from the comfort of their homes. Participants are tested based on the depth of the knowledge, research skills, and diplomatic skills. The topics include a wide variety of, or we can say, wide array of challenges from economic recession to the international security to pandemics. So now talking about why should you attend the Immune Online Conference. So it gives a rigorous knowledge and knowledge testing skills and analysis of the real world immune. Every week the participants or the students get to interact with the students all over the world, where the students become delegate representing countries and debate and discuss over different global topics, leading like to the global trade war or the poverty, etc. This will brush up the research skills and also the interpersonal skills, like social skills, creative and analytical thinking, diplomatic skills, debating and negotiating skills. So now also I want to include the benefits or the incentives which the conference provides. Firstly, it provides a certificate, an official certificate, represent which is as the conference is sponsored by United Nations and also by the Australian Embassy. Then you can get the immune training guides and the study guides for betterment or to perform better in the conference. Then second, you need to send them position paper, based on which you will be awarded for the best position paper award. So this way there are many different benefits. Also there are the expert sessions and question answer sessions at the end, so that you can get more information about the immune conferences. Then secondly, I want to talk about the fee structure. So it is only $9 for the registration, or we can say 700 INR. So compared to the fees I am telling you about, which is 700 INR, the incentives, the advantages are much greater, and you are getting an international exposure for discussing and debating, and also different global topics and global issues are covered in this. So it is much advantageous for all students. Also the topics which are included are some of, I want to highlight some of them, like ensuring gender equality for elevating discrimination against women, global goals 2030, no poverty and zero hunger, improving responses and addressing mental health, also increasing accessibility to e-learning in the pandemic. The committees which are represented in the immune conferences are the United Nations Women, UNDP, which is United Nations Development Program, then WTO, which is the World Trade Organization, and then SPECPOL, which is Special Political and Decolonization Committee. So these are all global organizations are represented by students, and discussions are take place. So I request all the students which are seeing this video to register for the conference, because it provides such a good advantage for sitting at home, which is in this COVID-19 period, sitting at home and providing a different skill aspect for the students. Thank you.